standard 7th unit 2 civics political party. Already discussed the topic. What are the political parties, importance of political parties, what are the characteristics of political parties, types of party system. Let us discuss the topic party system in India. Party system in India. Countries that follow federal system have two kinds of parties. Political parties. National party, state party or regional party. Regional, that means area, and another one unrecognized party. And next discuss the topic recognized parties. Parties that fulfill these criteria are called recognized party. This party is the unique symbol of election commission. A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. It's a very important one, children. To choose one symbol from free symbol. That means poll panel. It is a very important to the election commission. It is a unique symbol of the election commission. It's a major aim. The symbol of the one symbol, the free symbol. It is in 1968. Another one is a major party. The political party whose number of candidates elected is more than other is called the majority party. They play a decisive role in making laws for the country. This is the majority party. Now discuss the minority party. Those with lesser number of elected candidates are called minority party. As next, opposition party. So already you discussed the topic political party, ruling party, and another one opposition party. So the party which takes the second largest number of seats next to the majority party. Next to the majority party in the election is called the opposition party. So majority party only form the ruling party, and that is our next category is called the opposition party. To check the autocratic tendency of the ruling party. And another, they critically examine the policies and bill introduced by the government. So whatever plan and policy the ruling government declared, that is opposition party criticize that one to enjoy the rank of the cabinet ministers. So opposition party to enjoy the rank of the cabinet ministers. And next, coalition government. It's a very important one, children. It's a multi-party system. It is a single party system. It not work secure and resort its majority. It's not resort the majority to form the government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government, coalition government. Next, electoral system and its importance. The standardized symbol allocated. Election Commission has stopped allotting animal as symbol. Allotting animal as symbol. The symbol will not be allotted to any other party. Symbol will not be allotted to any other party. So now discuss the topic. National party and the state parties, the differences. It's the same one, children. The national parties are the political parties which participated in the different election all over the country. In the different election all over the country. But a different election, but any within one country. Within one country is different election all over the country. That's India. And another one, but only within a one state. It should be strong enough. It should be strong enough. At least 4 states. At least 4 states. Either at least one or two states. And another one, an exclusive symbol throughout the country. Throughout the country. A symbol is reserved. A symbol is reserved. It resolves the state, national and the international issues. The state party, it promotes the regional and the state interest. Regional and the state interest. For example, now the Tamil Nadu, any problem in issues now only discuss that matter only. That is a national party and the regional party. Now let us recall the topic political party in party system in India, national party and state party, majority party, minority party, and the symbol of the election commission, coalition government, and difference between national party and the regional party. Thank you.